Word? You got an access port?
Yep.
Alright, so access port. Where the hell is that thing plugged in anyway?
Where your OBD2 goes, same place that code reader goes.
Oh yeah, this is code reader. Everyone should get a code reader like this. What is this anyway?
Cornwell Tools.
Everyone should get one of these because it can read and erase and do all sorts of things with your ECU as far as why the hell your check engine light's on.
I actually don't know how to work this thing, so let's just read the installation instructions. Which one do I have?
What version access port is this?
It's version 2. You will need the access port OBD2 cable to perform the installation. Insert the key into the vehicle's ignition and leave it in the off position. Locate the test mode connectors under the driver's side dash to the left of the steering column. Found it!
Yeah? Where is it?
Right here. There's the green ones, and then I need this clear yellowish white one right there.
Yeah?
That's the test mode plug.
Okay.
So I just gotta plug in this thing that the access port came with into there. This one is for 2003 to 2005. The other one's for 2002.
So that
But the ECU is a 2002 ECU, so do I use the 2002 one even though my wiring harness is 2003?
Huh. They've got different little plugs to swap up the information, but you gotta choose the one for the correct year, apparently. So 2003 to 2005 models use this plug, the clearish one.
Yep, it's got 2 wires on it versus the other one has 1. Alright, she's in.
Cool.
Now we can plug in the access port, and it will allow you to tune the ECU.
Cool. Yes.
Hey, finally.
Yeah.
Something different. Please turn ignition key to the off position. Turn ignition key to the on position and immediately press OK to continue. Alright. Alright. Off. On. Continue.
Flashing data. 8% temp. Yes. This is what we were looking for.
Word. Please disconnect the white or blue installation mode connector. Oh, come on. Gotta get under there again.
They gotta disconnect it now. The test,
Yep.
little test plug thinger.
Alright. Press OK. Please disconnect the green. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Down there.
Alright. Press OK. Change map successful. Please turn ignition key to the off position to complete. Okay.
Yo, that means it should be running the new map, yeah?
Let's show current map.
That's the one, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yep. We're good.
Awesome. Wait, so we just staged it basically.
Yep.
So we tuned it.
Yep. I should be able to unplug this, right?
Yeah, you reflashed it, so yeah. Should be able to unplug it. You wanna see if it starts up?
Sure.
Fuck yeah. Word.
Yep.
You have a stage 2 tuned WRX
Oh yeah.
running freaking COBB Mapping. Yeah, that's sick. High five.
Damn right.
Fuck yeah.
If you go into performance mode, it should give you 0 to 60 times,
Wait, what?
quarter-mile times,
Mm-hmm. Wait, that says dyno?
and dyno. Calculate wheel horsepower and torque of your vehicle.
What? We can find out how much horsepower this thing's pulling?
Yeah, supposedly.
That is awesome.
That seems to be what it looks like.
This is sick.
Yeah, and then this should be the monitor. It'll monitor all your live data, fuel economy.
Yeah, whatever the fuck that's about.
Yeah, fuck that shit. Well, let me go lock everything up and we'll go for a test drive.
Damn right. If you made it this far, guess what? You like the videos, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Share with all your friends. Give us a comment if you actually don't like the videos, just to let us know what you didn't like. Maybe we can change things. And so the WRX is freaking tuned. Let's see how this sucker rides. Yeah.
See how this thing works?
Maybe do some 0 to 60s.
Oh yeah. Faux show.
Now that it won't blow up.
Haven't driven this thing in a while. I miss it.
Now you can spoil the crap out of it too.
Yeah. That it likes to do.
Oh shit! Will it shoot fire now?
No, probably not.
Why?
I'd have to actually get like a real tune and mess with the fuel and mess with the air.
Eventually.
And I still need the up pipe.
Oh, okay. Still gotta do that pipe. Alright. Holy shit, dude!
It feels smoother.
Alright, well, the map is definitely running, so let's just see what it feels like.
Ready?
Yep. That's sick. That's some awesome inertia.
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah. Word.
Let's hear what that sounds like with the window down.
Woo!
That is fucking loud.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, that's a Subi. That's a Subi.
Now I gotta take things off of the Mazda.
Alright guys, so that is how to hook up your COBB AccessPort to your WRX or Subaru or Mitsubishi or Mazda or whatever you're hooking it up to. Make sure you're subscribed. We'll be back next week working on, what, the Mazda or the...
Something.
the G35 or, you know, maybe even this WRX, but we will be back. So if you have any ideas for what type of videos you'd like to see, make sure to drop us a line down in the comments and we will do our best to make those type of videos. Yeah. Have a good one, guys.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.